Welcome to Time to Buy or Sell by Weichert Realtors Sierra Pacific Group. Today we will be discussing the housing market in Citrus Heights. And thank you so much for tuning in to Time to Buy or Sell. We've got a stack of recent MLS data and some boots on the ground agent notes here in front of us.
Yeah, our mission today is really just translating all that recent data into simple terms.
Right.
So you know exactly what to expect in the Citrus Heights market right now, whether you are looking to buy or sell.
And looking at the latest MLS statistics with enthusiasm, the median closed price is sitting right at $477,500.
Which makes it a distinctly affordable pocket.
Yeah.
Especially compared to the broader California market or even just Sacramento County.
It really is. But looking at the velocity here, it's clear this affordability is driving some serious momentum.
Oh, definitely. It is a seller-leaning market, but, it's highly sensitive to momentum. Get this, the homes closing in under 30 days make up 62% of all sales.
Wow, 62%.
Yeah, and they're actually averaging over list price, too.
Over list price.
At about 100.72%.
That is wild. With a median days on market of a swift 13 days.
Just 13 days.
I mean, buyers are clearly feeling the pressure here. 13 days barely gives you enough time to schedule a second showing.
Let alone sleep on the decision.
Right. You have to move aggressively if a home checks all the boxes. But Citrus Heights isn't just one big monolithic market.
No, it's really a tale of two micro-markets. We see this sharp divergence between the 10610 and 10621 zip codes.
With the 10610 holding the higher median prices, so a place like Sunrise Oaks or Birdcage Heights.
Exactly, but it's actually the entry-level price points in the 10621 zip code that are acting as the real pressure cooker.
Moving much faster.
Right. The Northwest Citrus Heights area has intense buyer competition because of those accessible entry points.
But buyers are still really selective regarding lifestyle drivers.
Absolutely. Strong school adjacency is a big one.
And turnkey condition.
Oh, huge. Buyers are paying top dollar for updated homes to avoid renovations entirely, which makes sense since remodeling costs and interest rates are sitting so high.
So what does all this mean for your buying or selling decisions?
Well, for buyers, you have to treat the city as distinct micro-markets. Don't look at citywide averages. Use days on market to your advantage.
Like targeting homes sitting longer than 30 days.
Yes, because if a home is sitting past that 30-day mark, that is where you suddenly gain the leverage to negotiate a better price or ask for repair credits.
Because they missed that 13-day sweet spot.
Exactly. Now, for sellers, the advice is clear price to the active competition, not the past peak comps.
Especially in those high-velocity pockets, right?
Right. If you set a tight pricing band, you maximize that early week attention. Overshooting the price just because a neighbor got a certain number last year usually means you end up sitting past that 30-day mark.
Handing the leverage right back to the buyer.
Precisely. Which leaves you with a final thought to mull over. As affordability remains incredibly tight across the state, will mastering these hyper-local micro-markets become the only way everyday buyers can crack the code to homeownership?
Thanks for listening to Time to Buy or Sell. If you have questions about real estate in Citrus Heights, we're here to help. Reach out to us at Weichert Realtors Sierra Pacific Group. That's Weichert Realtors online at wrspg.com or call 916-619-1971.